Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Nenye's Diary. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to a brand new vlog. And yeah, I just finished my morning workout, like my morning walk with NJ, and so far so good. It has been so amazing. It has been so great. And yeah, you guys shouldn't mind the background noise. It's my neighbor's AC. It's on. The sound is so loud, so you guys just pardon me for that. And yeah, so I just finished making my morning food, and as I was making my morning food, Iron Lady called me that she wants me to follow her out. So right now I am fully dressed and ready to go out with Iron Lady. So you guys just watch this video to the very end. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button and also the notification bell to get my notification anytime my video goes live. I had to tie my hair because it's kind of rough before I put on my weave on. So yeah, I think it's now dry and all. So you guys should just stay tuned because we have amazing fun things that is going to happen on this channel. You guys know about Iron Lady now. So yeah, let me just go put on my weave on and head out because she is already waiting for me at the gate. So you guys, oh god, it's been a long time. You guys must have known Iron Lady. She's an OG on this YouTube street, and today we are going to be having a, would I say, a mother-daughter
relationship.
No relationship, like we are going to be turning Aka today. It's me and Iron because I'm going to miss her. She will soon be leaving us, and yeah. Oh, Iron baby. Hey, what do you have to say to my people?
Hi guys, this is my darling. My darling is my in-law, my daughter-in-law, but
by proxy.
my daughter-in-law by proxy. I'm one NJ. So you all know her, and I love her. Anytime I'm going out, I go to carry.
She'll come and pick me up.
Yes, of course. At least I own my bodyguard. I can't go without her.
Yeah.
So this time around, as I'm preparing to go and get back to US, I will miss her.
I'll miss you, Iron. I'll miss you, Iron. Like, I'll miss you, like. Hey God, but it's going to be a fun day for us because we'll be going a lot of places. Yeah. If you don't feel Iron today, Iron actually can't. Iron doesn't want to grow old. She doesn't want to grow old. Iron paying getcha. Mwa was a young girl. But look at the way. Don't worry, you guys are going to see the full. People are going to see the full picture of her, and you understand what I'm talking about. She doesn't want to grow old. If I just tell you guys Ion's age, and do you know at her age, Ion drives back to Newi by herself.
Yes,
like,
of course.
Ion, please don't stay back. It's getting Ion. Say, no, I'm going to Newi. Before you know it, she's in Newi.
Of course.
But anyways, it's going to be a fun day today, and yeah, let's just go and have mother, daughter, whatever, you know.
Yes. Hey.
I am baby. Look at Iron see a dress. Me that is a single girl. Look at the way I'm dressing, but Iron, baby. Hey, this one doesn't want to grow old though. She doesn't want to grow old though.
Do you want me to grow old?
Okay, you people not believe her age. Look at the way she's dressed with her waist belt and everything.
I'm already old.
Okay. Iron, I'm already missing you. Just look at the way she's just inspecting everywhere.
I miss you too. I miss you too much. Hmm?
Yeah.
I will miss you.
Definitely.
At least.
As no, it's a thing of joy. Just go and enjoy. No, go and enjoy and come back. We will be waiting for you. We will. Na ko tazie ke ya na kwe send leave ayo na dry cha go look at here dry season meal ya
mana agwa me ya better share
yeah
so that I can keep it.
Okay, the little ones you can and you know dry season, so that's why the dry gonna up with your bitter leaf. Look at Ion's farm.
Yes,
Ion farm na be none of the plantain is not giving us joy. What I mean, mommy help problem yeah. On army where you see. Eh? But the farm is just big. Eh? Nkomita. Yeah, as well. Yeah.
Okay, mommy, check the shop, yeah? That's fine. That's fine. Yes.
If I dress if Rosnun, then just looking at you, I'm not even understanding you. I'm not even understanding you. Eh? Yeah. So you guys, I bought this corn for the past 4 days. And I just left it here. I don't know. Just feel that it's still soft and okay.
Let it go, let it go. Hey. Come on, Spirit. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.